Maphakani yamanhluleko ukuwina le game ukushaya Sundowns ilele kanje ifile kanje kanti nifuna ukuyishaya nini yazi 4 or 5 goals Orlando Pirates bemeli wakore la understand ukuthi lento yokufuna ukushayina uwedwa isizapho lama players eOrlando Pirates because if uyakora kuwina i-team Hotho cishe 2 times ehluleka ukubuyisa ibhola eboxini ekhona Morim ekhona uMahope ezoshaya open net again uMahope uthola i-chance umela wabona at least kubushayileke lapha epaleni because bevulelekile uKhuputo nokekana bebemvulela ebene chance okunika futhi uPolice bafowethu ngeke bafowethu Pirates idlala ngamathuba amaningi ekuyona futhi team ethola amathuba amaningi kule game angcono ebengenza izinto zenzeka Mamelodi Sundowns no so much ekwenzile kule game negoal elitholile lichawo I think yona clear chance ababenayo leyana bakwazi ukuthi becapitalize oba clinical uchalolile wakora but igame yabo bafowethu bengekho inhle bebeluza ibhola too much yabona nje sifuna ngabikho kwamkwena Orlando Pirates bemeli bapunish labantu baOpas bebeluza ibhola alende ugcine selahla engazi ukuthi udlala iposition ugcine sezodlala deep because ngathi benga comfortable ebholeni enzela ama progressive passes enzela ama one touch football going forward ugcine se lost nomthejela ela evalile siso umfana omncane dancing bafowethu angicabanga ukuthi kusekhona samele sikubheke kwi-goal of the season you already have it khona sinye sakubhekayo I don't think so the boy bafowethu ubuhlakani ilokuzana ivision yakhe ipower onyawe lakhe la left lwabamba Ronwen Williams wabambeka as if ubanjwe iglue wakhala safe what a goal bafowethu outside the box okunye nokunye understanding Sundowns ukuthi what kind of football bebedlala yi black ball bebedlala Buccaneers ibhola belilonke ama chances noma ngathi ibhola belonke but ama chances in create more chances than Sundowns Pirates bafowethu bemelenza kangcono maybe kube ungenile umbule behlambe sobona lo ma shots ethi trouble goalkeeper Mamelodi Sundowns uRonwen Williams Morim naye kwathola i-chance mela uya capitalize wahluleka so many chances bafowethu a create Orlando Pirates a Police beyiphela endlebeni ukube ngempela abadlali bePirates ubambisana belukhona ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi Sundowns iluzile lapha ngo4 noma ngo5 mayisazogcina ukhadi waseSundowns eqede isizini ngiyakuphinda lokho ngiyakusho ngeke ziwine league lo muntu akana ama ideas amphelela akana plan B ukuthi yini emele yenze ama subback ahleze ngasizi ngaluthi Sundowns akawazi ku read game ungafaka umdlalo njengo Rainers ngomzuzu ka 7-8 no 8 lo muntu mina ngabo 60 ushalulile kade ecwilile trouble lo backline ngalama speed akhe lento yabo ukufuna ukudlala lelibhola abadlali benomkwena cishe yabalimaza lapha eswini cishe yabalimaza Pirates bafowethu ayigangile bafowethu gange ngempela gangile ka bekuwini yabo le clean enama goal amaningi bamiste i-chance bafowethu eyilinqayivele ukuthi bephindiselele kwi-Sundowns ngama goal amaningi bayithola lapha ngempela enye i-chance nje unless if kusazoqhubeka ukhadi basengamthola kodwa if ngoshintsha ngempela i-Sundowns nayo izoshintsha ukwenza izovuka amaqandeni but nje for now Buccaneers beningenhla igame ibingenhla igame ibivuma nina
yabona bafethu ngiyafisa ukubona amabhakabhaka enza lento engiyenzayo ngiyafisa endangase ngiyenze kwasingaka lesizini kodwa njengamanje ngizonika ipraise lentwana lekuthiwa ulebone CM lentwana bafethu yazi bengiba worried ngiqamba manga bengiba worried mangizobona ipraise noko kakhulu umbokazi uyadlala ngangizwa kabi kodwa bona lentwana le na ikhona yabona bethu namhlanje futhi isikhulu futhi ebholeni egroundini siyatshela kuthiwa shada naye hlala endodeni shada naye leyo nto nje exactly yenze same thing awushalulile bengaphunyuki ngobani bishade naye bingavumi ukuhlulwa enye insizwa ileyo nto ke mina ngithanda ukuyincoma ngalentwana yabona futhi man marking ibalekile uma uyidefender mawuzazi ukuthi ngiyidefender ngizomaka ngizovala indoda aboshalulile bengadabuli lapha ushayile phela lela goal kodwa nje bengadabuli lapha yabona nje man of the match well deserved man of the match lentwana idlale kakhulu bafithi idlale kakhulu mina nje ngiyabeza bekhala bethu bani bawethu nayi man of the match yile aseyaxoxisa nje leyo idlalile lentwana kakhulu lento enzile iyancomeka yabona bethu yabona nje bafethu Yabona nje ngisanga le ntwana eshaya igoli mfethu. Base kuba uDancing. Abantu abaningi bebekhala ngoDancing ekwi-line up. Bonile abanye bebekhala nge-line up ngengisho magama. Kodwa nje bafethu into engizoyisho intwana ifike yangena. Okay, igame iqale ya tough for yona. Sibonile lokho ukuthi i-midfielder iSundowns ibiyi-boss i-midfielder first half. Intwana yavuka ngegoli. I think ile nto edidinga. I-confidence yavele yaphakama ngenye indlela. Yakwazi ukudlala. Ucoach ke hayi wayisub out. Kodwa mina intwana ngizosho ukuthi ibe negame enhle kabi. Anganobe kwi-start sayo sokuqala yini kwi-Pirates. Anganobe iqala uqala igame. I'm not too sure. Yabo? So angikhombuza lapha. Hayi ngoba kanjani kodwa nje I'm not too sure. Kodwa nje ngizoyincoma bethi intwana idlalile abafethu. Yabona i-Pirates Pirates bese angiyifuni kanjani. Kodwa ngiyakwazi ukukhipha ipraise kanje ngithi Pirates idlalile. Yabona bethu lapha ayibanikile igame. Ibanikile igame iSundowns. Yabona ngoba futhi hayi sanibongela abafethu. I-hate watch.
Sengithule kakhulu. Take this guy out of my team.
Hey, what's akahabe mfethu? Hey.
Dyson esabiza angaza shipe. Odion Hot obakwethu. Ngisho ukuthi sengikhulumela wonke ke amagame anoDion Hot. Nabona kwemagesi smooth, silky, shelele. Hayi kabi, angisho kabi. Ngisho ivele iqiniso. Yazini Dion Hot, please leave football before football leaves you. Hambo coach DDC Namibia do something. Ngoba sikwazi ukubhiza ngani phakathi kwi pitch wenza noDion Hot iSpringbok yaqhanja nje. Hayi suka. Hayi. Nizoloke nikhomenta la. Nithi kade isisa anginendaba. Nizoloke nithi amababa kawagxikani anginendaba. Take this guy out of my team. Yebafethu yabo. Okay, yazi ngibongela uDancing ngenqa. Spectacular. Ngibongela uSiyama, the man of the match, well deserved ukumthola. Up, down, left, right. Ngomthola nje mfethu. Yabo bafethu. Ububutito ngabe kuthiwa kalona iOrbit. Thathani uHotho nemlone kwiBaroka le kwiNFD. Ngigrind ngalomuntu mina. Yazi commentani la. Ngiready ngizoniphendula. Nama unnecessary draw. Ngakho singayiwini league. Magema kanje sihlulo ukuqeda, sihlulo unquma. Suka. Azin Hotho hambo vuse team eNamibia baba. Nemali. Do something. Hayi. Angisho nanosihliso Hotho ngithi ngiright go Hotho.
Perfect result. Perfect result for us Kaizer Chiefs supporters, because now us and Orlando Pirates same plane. There is no difference us and Orlando Pirates. They've got, you see how quickly games in hand run out if you're not collecting points. Now they've only got one more game in hand. One more. And technically that game in hand is with us because we haven't played Pirates yet in the first round of fixtures. So that game in hand is ours. So basically we are level. And I want to know something. Orlando Pirates, Abdesalam Odu, what goes on in training? But Orlando Pirates players go from anywhere on the pitch. If someone controls the ball on the halfway line, you must stress because he might shoot. Orlando Pirates player and he might score. But now they've got 5 goals for the season. Siyema, Moremi, Sibelebele. Mbogazi, I cannot forget the one. And now Dancing. And now I can't even question the goalpost because this one is at Loftus. So, what goes on in training Abdesalam Odu? I want to know. But anyways, I'm happy with that result. I don't want to talk about it. Mara, referee, some calls were questionable. When Sundowns fouled a player, straight in, no questions, yellow card. But when Orlando Pirates did the same thing, he was just late to the tackle, no card. How does that happen? And at times, Pella, that free kick and Butuma got away. They apparently Mudiba pushed him. He didn't push him. Guys, let's be honest. He did not push him. Even that one, the Allende yellow card, there wasn't a yellow card. Even that handball from guys. Santos, white wedding. Those touches, he's going to be a problem. I wonder that thing is that Santos is going to be a problem. The touches, and when he takes the ball, he doesn't even look, and he makes a pass, and someone gets it there. When that's Santos, is going to be a problem. But yeah, anyways, I just want to know who is that game in hand for Orlando Pirates, because they must make sure they don't lose that game in hand, and if they draw that game in hand, say bye-bye to the league. If you draw that one game in hand, bye-bye to the league. Because us Kaizer Chiefs, we are title league contenders at the moment. Don't count us out. That's what that result perfect for us. But yeah, good game. Very, very cagey. Sundowns, I don't know what was going on Sundowns. I don't know what your style of play is lately in Moti. Build that from the back, because they were trying to play a lot of balls behind Orlando Pirates. And you got Mbogazi there, he's got pace, he's got strength, so I don't know why you'd want to go for that kind of gameplay. My Pirates were sitting a bit deeper than usual today, so I think Abdesalam Odu was scared of Sundowns a little bit. But yeah, anyways.
Hayi mina mapakania ngithatha eziluzile, hayi siluzile bafowethu, siluzile. iSundowns simple, iSundowns hayi bafowethu iSundowns akusiyo le Sundowns leyadilindelwa abantu ukuthi izozenzela umathanda. Just nje ucoach wami bafethu ufuneka nje ready game, and then ucoach meqeda ready game ebheke ukuthi okay njengamanje labantu bathi iSundowns ibithaka eswini because umqwena akekho, uAlenda akakhona ukudlala because umqwena akekho. Yabo, obviously game master chef uyafuneka, utalent Mbathu uyafuneka. If ucoach decide to keep if ucoach wePirates decide to keep ukhipha uDancing, yazi mina ngivele ngathi kuba uDancing akamkhiphanga once. If it decide ukushintsha ekhipha uDancing, faka phela uMbatha noma umaster chef, because iSundowns ayidlala eswini. Ayikhona uAlenda akhona ukuhlanganisa ibhola kahle eswini because umqwena akekho. Bafowethu ayikho iwin esophinda sithole le kulesi yekile ama decision kakhulu i-decision nanga start bafowethu hayi ku right but ke hayi mina nje ngizoyithatha as ilose le because bafowethu igame bafowethu igame simple igame ibe simple game ifuna utalent Mbatha ifuna umbule simple siqovela abantu labo balahlile simple bafethu simple yini adinzini okay yini adinzini because okay right uDancing bamkhiphile don't uDancing ngoba alright umphumzile umfana omncane siyabonga thank you ngegoli umphumzile uDancing faka phela utalent Mbatha faka phela or umaster chef faka phela utalent Mbatha faka hayi nabona ama-sub kacoach ayasibulele bafowethu ama-sub nje kacoach ama-decision akhe ama-sub asibulele lihle phela iqiniso akumele ukuthi singalikhuluma iqiniso liyafuneka iqiniso liyababa kodwa ama-sub kacoach hayi bafowethu asibulele bafowethu ama-games dlala neSundowns uMbatha uhlele ebhentshini dlala neSundowns umbulu uhlele ebhentshini wow why
I wanna look mfethu, I have to disagree no Putumqo. The last guy on the video was Oliver Kakulum. If Usiema crosses that ball to Umring scores, ngabe sayona 2-1. Ngabe akekho umuntu okhuluma ngoMbatha. You guys are ngikhuluma ngoMbatha as if like iSundowns best dominates as if we're struggling again. Igame coach iplane kahle mfethu. The only thing beating ukuthi thina start ibhola silibeke safely score. That's it. We created chances, bruh. You can't falter a coach for that, in fact. You can't blame coach for players being selfish. You can't blame the coach for players being selfish. Usiema, if you cross that ball to Umremi, that's a goal. And then we can faka Umbule to control the tempo of the game. But you can't falter the coach for that, bruh. Ama chances were creative. Ama chances. In fact, we missed chances. The first we should have scored like more than 5 goals or 4 goals. Umbatha be happy because without Umbatha we still created those chances. Like we Umbatha when bezo corner shoot, bezo by strike mhlampo or something. You guys just complain for the sake of complaining. We're watching the same game. It's not like sometimes be slula. We failed to capitalize on my chances beswathola. So why are you guys blaming the coach? Why are you guys crying for Umbatha Nombuli as if i-Sundowns besihlula? Ngisamile mfethu, if uSiyama crosses that ball to Mremi kule 1-on-1 leya, it's 2-1 siyawina. And sometimes that's ayibuke kuyithi ibizokora second half. So what do you mean ukuthi Umbatha Umbuli mfethu? I-blame mfethu imaplavithi abephakathi ebedlala iwona adlisile mfethu. Akena ucoach mfethu. Akena ucoach. And lento le ukuthi hey Umbatha uzokhipha bani eskimini? Unemtajela. Yekani ukubuka ibhola ngokuthi wena uthanda bani. Yekani usuppose ukuthi wena uthanda bani. Mfethu ungange ukuthi uthanda bani. Masibuka ibhola. Unemtajela mfethu yamhlula mfethu Umbatha mfethu. Ngakho konke. Sesingaxabana ke ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngizokhomenta vele but yini mfethu Umbatha mfethu ayenzayo that Nemtajela can do. Name 2. Ukushama long range. Come on mfethu, come on. Cela subscribe.